A project manager is expected to be ethical when making choices and professional when conducting work. There are certain actions that are illegal because these actions may break some laws. However, there are also actions that fall on the boundary. They may not break the law, but they show a lack of integrity and lack of professionalism. Such actions can result in lower stakeholder satisfaction and distrust, which can increase the resistance to change. Every society has set certain moral, ethical, and social standards of behavior. Similarly, every organization sets up a code of behavior, which can be expressed as the standard of business conduct. It deals with conflict of interest, rights, and responsibilities when it comes to protecting intellectual property or data. Similarly, the Project Management Institute has defined a code of ethics and professional conduct. This code is for practitioners of project management, but specifically for PMI members, PMI certification holders or aspirants, and PMI volunteers. It encourages project managers to behave ethically, do the right and honorable things, and display appropriate behaviors. The primary focus of the code is to establish project management as a trusted and credible profession. The code addresses 4 values and establishes mandatory standards as well as aspirational standards. The difference is that the mandatory standards must be followed as these can be tracked and measured, and a breach may result in a disciplinary action. The aspirational standards are kind of the expected behavior. Though these cannot be easily measured, it also does not mean that these are optional. The project manager is expected to follow them as these are required. So, what are these 4 values that the PMI says are the foundation of the code of ethics? Well, these are responsibility, respect, fairness, and honesty.